I bought a $100 boat. So I don't know what year it is. I don't have a title for it. It's just a $100 boat. Super old. It's a bass boat. It's gonna be our project. And there's our first look at her. 90 horsepower Mercury, no seats. It's got a front deck. Man, I don't know what we're gonna do with this thing, but let's check it out. So the last time that this thing was tagged was in 2003, okay? We drove it all the way here. It was an hour drive, all right? It's got a front deck. It was originally a 2-seater, but we're gonna get all this junk out of here. I just now pulled the cover off of it. You see it's a 90 horsepower Mercury, but so our first find here, we're looking at a massive rat's nest. I probably should be wearing gloves to take this stuff out, but this isn't looking good so far. But we're gonna work on this thing, me and my buddy Nate, and we're gonna try to get her going again. So this is going to be our bass boat for the channel. We had to air those up 3 times on the way here. It was great. No jack on the front of the trailer, also great. But she rode nice the whole way here. A little bit of fiberglass work needed to be done. Redeck that, put some carpet on it, build us a little deck back here. It's already got the 2x6s ready. Figure out where all this wiring's going. Steering wheel. Yeah, of course we're gonna hit 80 miles an hour, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna check this thing out. Might need new power packs. I don't know, we're gonna find out. It's a Checkmate, and I'm gonna do a little bit more research to find out what year it is. There's Cam Boy on the TTR. But we're just ripping around, hanging out today. We just got this thing out here. That was our little adventure. So I hope you guys enjoy the transformation that you're gonna see of this boat here. And let's get to work. Just so you guys can get an idea of what I'm dealing with here. Full of dirt and mud and leaves, Throttle and everything is all hanging off, ignition's hanging off, hot foot in there. Let's get to cleaning it. Front's been redecked. Next comes the turf. So we're gonna have to glue it, prep it, get it all set in. So we got the front deck turfed. She's gonna be going right here. Ignore all that. But it's going right here. Working on patching that. We're about to throw a 2x in there, cut it to size. And then we're gonna be doing a bunch of fiberglass work.
Crazy.
Oh my God. I think we did perfect, bro. What do you think? You think we did perfect?
I think it looks pretty freaking good.
Oh. Okay, that's just the excess. It's stapled here though, so that's fine. But
Yeah, we just got some danglers. They don't even matter.
next step, this over there. Oh my goodness. That just transformed the front of the boat.
Different boat now.
It looks like it could float. Oh my God.